So here's our process from start to finish for exterior window cleaning. The first thing we want to do is approach the window. We want to remove any dry or loose debris from the sills and the tracks that we can, because that's just going to make it easier to finish this off a little bit later on. So use your brush to clear any dry debris. Get that out of the way as much as you can. Then we're going to assess the glass, look for any trouble spots. If we see them, use the end of our mop or a microfiber, or we may even need to use our click scraper if it's a stubborn spot. Now the window is ready to be scrubbed. We want to scrub very thoroughly, top to bottom, cover every square inch of the glass, really pay attention to the corners, go in a variety of directions so we're really loosening up all that dirt and getting into the solution. Now that we've done that, it's time to squeegee. So in this case we're going to fan. We want to precisely get to every corner and every edge around the whole perimeter of the glass. We want to focus on finishing cleanly so that we have less to detail. Okay, now we're ready to detail this window. Take our detailing towel, our huck, and use our index finger and get very precisely into the edge. Moving the towel around as we need to maintain a dry spot. I usually like to work from top down and leave the bottom for last because that's where the most moisture is going to be. Find a new dry spot, go all the way across. So now the window itself is clean. I also want to make sure that the frames are clean. So if you see any unsightly staining, you might want to wipe that down first. But now once we've gotten to this point where the window is detailed, now we want to make sure we take care of the track and the sill last. So we use our microfiber for that, clear that excess moisture there, get a little bit of our microfiber down in the track, kind of give that a nice back and forth scrub to break up the dirt, clean that up in there, and now we can move down to the sill itself, making sure that we get into the little nooks and crannies the best we can, get some good scrubbing friction in there to break up any staining. And that's it. We've completely cleaned the window from start to finish. We're ready to move on to our next set.